animals. This one name is Toby. He has his ball. That one name is Nifa. She has her stubborn frisbee. Yeah. It's right there. I love PetSmart. She has a green one too, right? And then that one's from PetSmart too. But look at all this white stuff, and we have been seriously playing, and she has been getting this dirty. Yeah, look at that. Ew. And Toby, can I have that? Toby, let go. Yeah. He found this spot right here. Thought to lay down. And that's my scooter. We have a cat. She's not. That's my neighbor's yard. Hey, Toby, come here. They follow you around wherever you go. Let's do dogs. Nifa, come here. Nifa, come here. Nifa, treat. Doggy scared. Toby. Toby. That one doesn't care. Stupid asshole. Yeah. Yeah, there's all kinds of stuff. You want me to show you what she did? Come on, Eve. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Go, go. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. Hey, you! Ah! I'm gonna get you. 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 Oh, look at her. Let's go hide. Toby and Nifa. Oh, Toby. This is where back here. Scared. Yeah, this is just our interview. Yeah, we have a garden, a tree growing. We have a fireplace, old fireplace. The dog's running crazy. That one's running crazy, right? Running crazy, crazy dance. Yeah. That one just wants to go inside. That one wants to go inside. Ridiculous, guys. Nothing going on lately. We just went to the movie theaters and went to go get ice cream. This one's happy. Ate all my ice cream. Well, I ate half and he ate the other half. Got into it, Toby. Toby, come here. Toby, come here. Toby, let's play some fetch. Yeah, we're gonna show you how we play fetch. Nifa, you wanna play some fetch? Yeah, we have frisbees and fetches, but I can't record and throw, so I'm thinking we need to maybe just use the ridiculous way. Yeah, she goes over there, rejects it, comes back, frisbee in her mouth. Where'd you go? Hey, what are you doing? Are you camera shy? Oh, this is camera shy. She doesn't know what this is. Oh, I gotcha! Oh, he's camera Yeah. It's ridiculous. They just run around the house. I'm gonna go inside. Hey guys! Bye, Toby! Where's the over there? Hi! Hi, Neve! Look at that. Look at that. You wanna come in? Oh! My guest. Come in. Go around the table. Of course.